Hello my friends, today is a little short and boring video about my favorite lawnmower. This is a riding style from the 70s something, made here in Sweden, Linköping, not far from here. This is an early one, it's number 204. These are simple and very sturdy built. Just a thick plate of steel here and a trusty old Briggs and scrap iron. 8 horsepower. The blades is just a lever here that stretches the belt. The newer type just moves the cutting board forward and stretch it that way. Simple steering. It's just aluminum gear and this half moon gear. And in the center pivoting point is the transmission shaft, and inside here is just a simple friction drive like in snow blowers and stuff. A rotating disc and a rubber wheel, and you can move that for faster, or the other way center, and it's reverse. This one is early, so there is just drive or neutral. The newer type has two safety pedals. When you push them down, it drives. And the simplest type of brake, it's just a pin on the wheel. Can't see it here, but very easy to drive. I try to film and drive the same time, see how that goes. And off we go. And that's probably all. As you see, it can cut very close. It's pretty handy that way. And just built from standard parts. Yeah, I like it. I made some more video about it. Thanks for watching.